Hi everyone, it is Jamai Shoshti time and I'm finally getting to get out of the house and vlog from outside. I am very excited about today. After a long time we have a crew. Hello.
Hello.
So Shinchan is treating me with Jamai Shoshti lunch today. Thank you, Shinchan.
You're most welcome.
I don't know how you're going to be as a Jamai, but as a Shoshur you're going to be amazing, as I can vouch. This is the food. Jamai Shoshti is a day devoted to the son-in-law. The day is regarded as auspicious in West Bengal, and most of the families organize a feast dedicated to the son-in-law. It is an integral part of the rich culture and tradition of West Bengal. To celebrate the occasion, the in-laws invite their daughters and son-in-laws. The mother-in-laws perform a number of rituals, after which the son-in-law is served with delicious food items. This festival serves the purpose of bringing the son-in-law much closer to the family. It is completely a family festival which brings together other family members as well. Ashol Jamai ekhono hote parlam na, but restaurants er jonne definitely I'm a Jamai. So I've got my special Jamai Shoshti meal from Bhuter Raja today. I'm going to go upstairs quickly, get these unpacked. Our kobji dubi ajke khawa hobe. Let's go. Right, so I have the May Jamai Mahabhoj Thali. Finally, this is a Jamai Shoshti special meal for two. So we have a begun bhaja, 2 piece fish fry, 4 piece luchi. You have a special dal over here, basmati rice, bashanti pulao, dhone pata chicken, ilish macher matha diye kochu shak. This is a special jeere aloo dum. We have a mutton bhuter raja. They're very popular kochu pata chingri. Now, what you see over here are 2 himsagar arms. Now normally it is given kete, it's cut. But due to the COVID times, they have mentioned that they are not cutting it, they're giving it whole. So that's a pretty good gesture by them. You have duto mishti doi, 4 roshogolla, amer chutney is here, duto pan ache, and finally you have 2 lassis. Alright, now all of these items, what are price, koto, everything, ami tomaderke aste aste janai. Let's start eating first. Alright, so I have the first set of the menu, the first course. So you have 2 fish fries over here. Let me just... There's luchi, 4 piece ache, I'll just take 1. 2 big size of begun bhaja, my favorite. And some aloo dum. It smells really good. So let me start. Habit hoye gache nije shoot kore that I'm lifting this, I forgot. We have Shinchan behind the camera today. Good stuff. It's soft definitely, but it doesn't have a lot of sweetness in it. So when you're preparing begun bhaja, at least badite, a lot of the times when I have the best begun bhajas, the one who makes it, they always say that they add a little sugar to it. It might be a little unhealthy, but Jamai Shoshti meal khachi, I don't care about unhealthy. I need it to taste delicious. So I think this is one thing they can definitely add to their recipe. Alright, so next up, the next course, we have something special over here. Ilish macher matha diye kochu shak. Next up, their very popular kochu pata chingri. Incredible. Look at the size of these chingri. Amar kintu size bolte khubi bhoy pai. A lot of the times the ones which I get is much more bigger. But that is not to dupe you or anything. It's totally by chance. Sometimes it's big, sometimes it's small. Ota ke niye tomra please kichu mind koro na. Amio jokhon order kori, I also don't get the best pieces. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. I'm going to be taking too much because this menu is, it doesn't end. That is how much stuff it has. And some special. Ki dal chilo eta?
Moong dal.
Moong dal? Sure. Bondo. We have some Gupir Priyo dal. Okay, it's not any dal. You can see a lot of cashew nuts in this. Jamai Shoshti bole kotha, of course it has to be special, it cannot be just anything. So while I'm enjoying this meal, let me tell you, this entire preparation, you can order it at home through Swiggy, Zomato. You can order directly from them. If you're ordering directly from them, you're getting a 20% discount. The entire thing which I've had thus far, and the entire thing which is left also, it's priced at 1200 rupees. But if you're ordering it directly from their app, details in the description, you're going to get it at a 20% discount, everything included. And if you're looking to go visit the restaurants, it's going to be open 15th, 16th, definitely you're going to get a special discount from Foodspa. So whoever is watching this video, chot kore tumra video take pause kore aage share kore do, like, comment tumra kochhoi. So if you share this video and if you're going and visiting the restaurant on the 15th and the 16th, you're getting a flat 15% discount on the entire thing. So that's a special discount. We would prefer you ordering it at home, but if anyone wants to go out, especially Jamai Rajara ache, or if you are looking to take your in-laws out, if you're looking to take your Jamai out, this is a special discount from Foodspa if you are sharing this video. This is good. It's got that pasty texture, but you're getting that slight illicit taste which adds wonders to any dish which you add it to. I've had this chingri at Bhute Raja a lot of times, but I must say, Janin one din pore khachi bole ki na, but today this tastes stunningly different and amazing. Normally, when I make a particular preparation, the chingri is a little overcooked, but today it's not. It's very fleshy, it's very meaty, very juicy. Alright, next up we have their special quantity dhone pata chicken, mutton dak bungalow. Mutton dak bungalow, if you want, you can have it with any of it. You can have it with the luchi, you can have it with rice, but jehetu pulao ache, generous amount of dry fruits on top. I've always categorically mentioned that the chicken items at both Posto as well as Bhute Raja are really good because the chicken which they use is pretty soft. This is very tasty. Kubaga. Next up, let's try this mutton piece. Now this particular piece which I've got is not very fleshy, so it's got a lot of this hard as well as chorbi. এটা ভেবো না সবসময় আমি বেস্ট পিস পাই, এটা this is a live example that even I don't at times, but I've got I think a good one over here. This is very tasty. I mean, the entire preparation, it's been cooked in such a way, all the masalas and everything has gone inside so beautifully. This is not too rich, not too spicy. This is just the perfect mutton preparation which you can get. Shesh pode পৌঁছে গেছি. Now we have chutney, রসগোল্লা, দই, আম as well as pan. I doubt আমি pan আর আমের review তোমাদেরকে দেবো. You know how it's gonna be, but I'm not gonna miss out on this আমের chutney. It's a summer special আমের chutney. Let me just. Pretty well made. এটা ট্রাই করতে হবে, না করলে চলবে না, করি। Next we have their famous Rasgulla. These are in-house Rasgullas you get from Hindustan Sweets. It's invariably never too sweet, so I kind of fancy this type of Rasgulla. It's good quality stuff. দই ওরা দুটো দিয়েছো, মিষ্টি দই। এটা কি আমার কুর্তার সাথে ম্যাচ করছে? দানা রসগোল্লাটা শেষ করে রেডি। আচ্ছা, আজকে টেস্টটা আলাদা লাগছে কেন? আমি কি সেম স্পুন ইউজ করেছি সব কিছুর জন্য, তাই জন্য নাকি? আজকে রাজীব আমাকে ছাড়বে না। So every time I'm doing a coverage of Bhute Raja, the owner Rajiv, who's a very good friend, he keeps telling me আগে এইটা খাও তারপর ওইটা খাও, এইটা খাও তারপর ওটা খাও। ও চাপে পড়ে যায় বিকজ অনেকজন কমেন্ট করে যে কাকে দিয়ে তুমি তোমার প্রমোশন করাচ্ছ, খেতে জানে না এটসেট্রা। সো আই কিপ টেলিং হিম যে এটা কোনো চ্যানেল না, this is a vlog, it's my own experience. I can start with an arm, I can start with a pan, and I can end it with a mangsho. I mean, it's totally my choice, because ছোটবেলা থেকে যখন আমি খাই, it's always I save my favorite things for the end. সেখানে যদি ইলিশ বা চিংড়ি, মালাইকারি এটসেট্রা থাকতো, ওটা আমি হয়তো ডেজার্টের পরে খেতাম। সো দ্যাট ইজ, আমি শিওর অনেকজন তোমরা আছো যারা এরকম, আমি জানি বাঙালির একটু বেশি চাপে পড়ে যায় যে এই জিনিসটা এই সিকোয়েন্স এটসেট্রা খেতে হবে, এটা অন্য কোনো cuisine এরকম ঠিক হয় না। Yeah, you have your entrees etc, you have the different courses, but that's different. But when it is food, when it's main course, ওর মধ্যেও segregation normally হয় না, বাট আমরা বাঙালিতে আমরা এটা করি। বাট আমি পার্সোনালি পছন্দ করি যখনই আমি খাই যে আই অ্যাকচুয়ালি প্রিফার হ্যাভিং মাই ফেভারিট আইটেমস অ্যাট দি এন্ড, অ্যান্ড যেটা অতটা ভালো লাগে না ওটা আমি শুরুতে খেয়ে নিই। তোমাদের মধ্যে কারা এরকম আছে আমাকে একটু কমেন্ট সেকশনে জানিও। Shinchon, how has your experience been?
My experience was fantastic today. তো সত্যি কথা বলতে গেলে এটা একটা বাঙালির খুব প্রিয় উৎসব জামাই ষষ্ঠী, এটা একটা পর্বই বলতে পারেন। তো আমরা আজকে যেটা বেসিক্যালি ট্রাই করলাম সেটা হচ্ছে মেয়ে জামাই মহাভোজ থালি, যেখানে আমরা অনেক কিছুই খেলাম। এর বাইরেও আপনারা দুটো আলাদা থালি আছে যেটা ট্রাই করতে পারেন, একটা হচ্ছে সোনার থালি আর একটা হচ্ছে রূপোর থালি। তো দুটোর মধ্যে পার্থক্য কি আপনাদের বলে দিই। রূপোর থালিতে আপনারা পাবেন ভেটকি মাছের পাতুরি, মাটন ডাক বাংলো আর গন্ধরাজ চিকেন, যেটার দাম হলো 750 টাকা। আর সোনার থালিতে আপনারা পাবেন ইলিশ ভাপা, গন্ধরাজ চিকেন আর মাটন ডাক বাংলো, যেটার প্রাইস হচ্ছে 1050 টাকা। তো এটাই দুটোর মধ্যে বেসিক পার্থক্য। এছাড়া আপনারা আস্তে আস্তে তো আনলক হচ্ছেই, আপনারা বেরোন, যারা না বেরোতে পারছেন তারা অর্ডার করুন। আগেই যেমন বলা হয়ে গেছে এই ভিডিওতে অলরেডি যে ওদের অ্যাপটা ইউজ করলে আপনারা একটা ডিসকাউন্ট পাবেন, প্লাস যারা ফুডস্পার ভিডিওটা শেয়ার করছেন তারা একটা 15% ডিসকাউন্ট তো পাবেনই। তো আশা করি আপনাদের এই 3টে থালির মধ্যে যে কোনো একটা ভালো লাগবেই। তো আসুন বা অর্ডার করুন, যেটা আপনাদের সুবিধা মনে হয় ওরকমভাবেই আপনারা থালিগুলোকে ট্রাই করুন।
That was my experience with the Bhuter Raja's special Jamai Shoshti lunch. We had an amazing time today, as always has been the case with Bhuter Raja. For folks who are watching, we've mentioned all the details of all the discounts and the available platforms where you're going to get. Everything is again repeated in the description, so you can check it out below. About this particular offer, it's going to be at Bhuter Raja from the 15th onwards, 15th to the 20th. But the special offer, which is the 15% discount for Foodspun, that's going to be only on the 15th and 16th for those who are visiting the restaurants. Only Chandanagar as well as Jadavpur outlets are going to be open for this particular offer. Salt Lake is going to open from the 1st of July. So Salt Lake, tomra please go na. You can of course order all of this at home through Swiggy, Zomato, and in case you're using their app, the link is again in the bottom in the description. You're going to get another 20% discount on that as well. So you cannot club too. It's not that you're going to get a Foodspar discount. That's only for dine-in, and the 20% is only for ordering home. So I think that's pretty much it. Finally, it feels amazing to come out of home. But then ekta bari theke onno barite eschi. So from tomorrow onwards, tomorrow is a holiday. So perhaps from Monday onwards, I'll try to cover a couple of places, visit them, and I'm going to show you how things are unlocking. We expected the government to come up with a release regarding things getting eased out, but that has not come yet. So I'm a little anxious now. Announcement to kore dilam je ami ar barite vlog korchi na, but এখন of the government এর কোনো এরকম কিছু আপডেট আসেনি। So in case it doesn't come, I might have to continue doing vlog from home, either Elliot Road or at Rajghat. Until next time, happy Shubho Jamai Shoshti to all of you, all the Jamais in Kolkata. This day is for you. This video is dedicated to all of you. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do share with your loved ones, do share with your family, friends, etc. And until next time, this is me wrapping up from my place at Rajghat. Cheers.